This easy to make chicken roulade will be a family favourite. You can adapt the filling to whatever you have on hand. Preheat your oven using steam combination to 180 degrees. Using chicken mince and an egg and some breadcrumbs, along with some seasonings. You can change these up to suit yourself. Turn out your meat mixture and press it into a rough rectangle shape on a piece of baking paper, then spread it with your pesto and line your fillings about 1/3 of the way along. I'm using marinated red peppers and feta cheese. Now use the paper to roll the meat mixture into a spiral. Be careful not to tuck the paper itself into the spiral because you're going to use the paper as a wrapping. Twist the ends to keep a really tight spiral. Pop in the oven to cook. Meantime, make your glaze. I'm using Worcester sauce and some barbecue sauce here with a bit of sesame oil, but you can use whatever flavourings of sauce you like to make your glaze. Unwrap your roll and baste it with your glaze and pop it back in the oven uncovered to brown up. When it comes out of the oven, leave it to settle for a few minutes before you slice it, and then serve. This is an impressive dish for lunch or dinner.